Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out the Tlvuvmo adjustable trailer hitch. This is for a 2-inch receiver. There's some instructions on top, some foam padding, and this thing is really heavy duty. Check that chunk of metal out. So it's got this nice like kind of coating on here. Almost like a frosted look there. It's kind of unique, I guess, to this product. And this is, oh man, super heavy duty. We got the 2 5/16 inch ball up here, and then the 2-inch one for 8,000, 12,500 towing capacity. I mean, this thing probably weighs close to 15 pounds just by itself there. All right, here's the part that goes into the receiver here. And once again, you got that nice frosted metal look there. It looks really cool. Just a hunk of solid metal here. Super burly. We'll be testing this out on my Tundra. And then we have the keys here with the locking mechanism. So that's nice. Check that out. Plenty of keys there. I'll give you 6 of these bad boys. And then look at that. Nice solid metal here. And we got a cover also that goes over the top. A nice little O-ring here from getting water inside your lock, and then a little cap that goes over the top. So this is going to be real nice for keeping your stuff protected from the rain. Just quick and easy to turn that, and that unlocks, and then just turn it back to lock it into place. Nice and solid. Let's go throw it on the truck and see how it looks. But check that out. Yeah, super, just a super heavy duty. I mean, like, I could use this weight for a dumbbell. This thing's crazy. Anyways, my friends, let's go put it on the Tundra, shall we? All right, here's the Tlvuvmo trailer hitch here. This thing is solid, as you can see. We'll just fit this in here. This is a 2-inch. And we just slip our locking mechanism in here also. It just goes right through there like that. And this secures onto this side of it. You gotta turn it to lock it into place, and then you take the key out there, and that's locked on. It has a nice little cap that goes right over there too, so that holds that in nicely. So this adapts. You can adjust this to different heights that you want. It has the 2 different size balls on there too for different trailer hitches. As you can see, this thing is just crazy solid here. And we can slide this in from the top if we want, and wherever we want if we need it. My truck's a little bit lifted, so if you need a lower hitch, this goes on nicely. Get your lock and just place it on there, and then in order to snap it into place, you just turn the lock, and then you can lock it into place there. And I like that they put the caps on there just to keep any dirt or anything else like that. So you can adjust this to whatever height that you need it to work here. And we can flip this over if we need this ball up with this one. This is the 2 5-inch, 2 5/16 inch one for 12,500 pounds. And then we have the other one down here. As you can see, super solid there. That is not going to go anywhere. This is pretty crazy. Nice stainless steel look, and very, very sturdy looking. So anyways, my friends, that's how you hook it up. Thanks so much for watching. I want to take this off and adjust it. I got these keys right here. Just slip the key in there, turn that, and that pops off, and then we can switch it to however we want to. So pull this out. A different trailer lock if I want. Slide that right back down into place. If I need a lower one, say I need it on the bottom there, then I can just put my right back on there. And this is the 2-inch ball on there. So easy to adjust, easy to take on and off, and very nice quality. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.